In this video, we are going to see that topic on semantic analysis. In the semantic analysis is the third phase of compiler. It gets the input from the syntax analyzer and produces output as a semantically verified parse tree. In the last video, we have seen what are all the two types of attributes in semantic analysis and what is the difference between syntax directed definition and syntax directed translations. So in the syntax directed definition, it is a formal specification of my productions. Here the in that syntax directed definition, we have the grammar productions are associated with the attribute values. So in the attributes are two types. One is the synthesized attribute, other one is the inherited attributes. So what is the synthesized attribute means? It computed the values of the particular variable is computed from the particular child node is called as a synthesized attribute. It is a bottom up approach, and it is a inherited attributes means the value of particular variable is calculated from that either from the parent or from the sibling. It is a top down approach. So the semantic rules are defined how to compute the attribute values, that is the semantic rules. So in the syntax analysis, I told that we have the two types of attribute. It's a synthesized and inherited. For the inherited attributes, synthesized attributes, the examples of translation scheme is used in that assignment statements. So in the evaluation of the assignment statement, the synthesized attribute is used. Here we have the translation scheme for that assignment statement for evaluating the computation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In that left hand side table shows that the productions associated with that semantic rules. The semantic rules is define how to compute the associated values. So in the production, for example, it is a production for that arithmetic computation. Here the left hand side tends to the we have that right hand side we have the expression. So the expression is defined as E tends to E plus T, or E tends to T and T tends to T star F, and T tends to F, and F tends to open parenthesis E and close parenthesis, and F tends to digit. Now what is the semantic rules are that, for example, when you are evaluating that right hand side expression, the right hand side we have to print that E dot value. So the E dot value is equal to E1 dot value plus T1 dot value. So the addition of E1 and T dot value is given into the E dot value, and next we have that E tends to T. Here the T value is assigned to the E dot value. The next production is T tends to T star F. Here the T star F is computed first. That value is assigned to the T dot value. Next is a T tends to F. That F value is again assigned to the T. The next production is F tends to open parenthesis then close parenthesis. Here also the E dot value is assigned to the F dot value. And finally we have the F tends to digit. Once you see the digit, that particular digit value is get from that symbol table. So that is a bottom up approach. Synthesized attribute, for example, consider the right side one example as in our program we have that computation like 2 plus 4 star 5. How that computation is evaluated? First, based upon that production rules, the parse tree is generated. The right hand side is a parse tree for generating that assignment operators. Here L tends to E then followed by that N. Again E is derived as E plus T. Again E is derived as T. T is F and F is digit. Again the T is based upon our input we have to derive our parse tree, and T is again derived as T star F, and T is F and F is digit, and F is again derived as 10 digit, and finally we have N. So that particular parse tree is parsing from left to right in the leaf node. When you are parsing that parse tree, so what is the final value we have in the particular value is digit plus digit star digit, and finally the n. So next we are going to assign the value to the particular digit. For example, the first digit value is value is 2, the next digit lexical value is 4, and third is 5. So 2 is assigned to F is assigned to T, and E is assigned T is value assigned to E, and finally E contains that the value of 2. The same thing, the leaf node get the value, that value is passed to the that parent node, and after that E plus T star F is first evaluated based upon the precedence operator rule, and what is the T value? That is a 4, and F value is 5. That is evaluated, and final T value, computation value is assigned to the left hand side T. So the value of 20 is assigned to T, and next E dot value is already assigned, that is a 2, and then 2 plus 20 is again evaluated, that is given into that left hand side E. So the finally in the E contains the value of 22, that value is assigned to the left hand side L. So this is that how our computation of addition and multiplication is evaluated based upon that derived parse tree. Once the final parse tree is correct, means the computation value is also correct. So this is the way the parser checks the compute the value and checks the if there is any semantic errors in that particular expression. So in this video I explain how that synthesized attribute is evaluated in terms of our given input. So in that evaluation, first the parse tree is generated based upon the semantic rules. After constructing the parse tree, the value is substituted, and finally it is computed. Thank you.